my brothers
and sisters.
I
love my country
love my country
and I am
proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always try
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers, and all leaders.
and elders.
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I place my devotion
In their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you, sir.
Aradhya.
Thank you.